CellPort is the all-in-one lab management platform that's uniquely focused on cell culture, cell banking, and all upstream and downstream workflows related to cells. Our vision for CellPort, set forth by our founder and CEO, Patrick Dettinger, was to create a system that could effortlessly scale from research through GLP and onto GMP. Today, that's all possible with CellPort's master batch records. Master batch records are the foundation of all aspects of your cell manufacturing ecosystem in CellPort, including materials, equipment, protocols, people, and events. Master batch records, or MBRs, define the products that you're manufacturing, the expected yields of those products, and the series of protocols that you'll follow to manufacture those products. An MBR is a version control template that your admin users create and publish. Once published, all permitted users in your manufacturing groups can create electronic batch records following the MBR template through each of the protocols as defined by your admins. If necessary, batch records can require electronic signatures and electronic witnessing that are both 21 CFR Part 11 and Annex 11 compliant. For the utmost traceability, user-generated batch records capture all important data points, including all materials and their expiration dates, all equipment and their next calibration dates, all users, all locations, all protocols, and all measurements, including target and actual product yields. In addition to electronic batch records, CellPort's powerful reporting tools allow you to analyze batch-to-batch data to help you spot trends and identify potential problems. Whether you're in research, development, or ready for commercial manufacturing, CellPort can be used throughout your entire process, so you won't have to switch systems when transitioning from one phase to the next, making CellPort a much safer bet in the long run when your breakthroughs become reality. Software for powering breakthroughs built by our scientists for your scientists. That's CellPort.